Hello, dear students. Welcome to Hybrid Learning. Today's video is about Grade 8 Microorganisms Friendorfoe continuation. The topics for today are antibiotics and vaccine. Now, antibiotic is something which is the most common term that mainly all of you have heard about it because we have been consuming antibiotics for a long time in the form of pills and medicines, right? So, exactly, I'm talking about that antibiotics. So, what are the antibiotics? They are basically the medications that are used to kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms. Okay, so it is something which is very common whenever we feel sick or whenever we don't feel good, or sometimes when we go to the doctor, they prescribe us with very important antibiotics. Okay, now what are the other uses of antibiotics? So it is used to treat a lot of diseases, a lot of infections, a lot of plant diseases also. Moreover, it is also incorporated into livestock and poultry feed so that we can prevent the bacterial infections. Now, do you know how it was discovered? The first true antibiotic was basically penicillin, which was discovered by the Scottish bacteriologist called Alexander Fleming. Do you know that this was a accidental discovery? Yes, it was an accidental discovery actually. Penicillin was derived from this mold called Penicillium notatum. There are many other antibiotics which are obtained from fungi and bacteria, which are being mentioned below. So they are the most common antibiotics which are made from bacteria and fungi. However, we cannot simply take the antibiotics how and when we like. There are certain measures in which we should use the antibiotics. First of all, we should only take it under the supervision of our doctor, right? And the doctor will give a certain course. He will prescribe or she will prescribe certain um, timeline in which we have to consume the medicine, and we should complete the entire course. Because if we don't complete the entire course, then the fungus or the bacteria because of which we are consuming it won't go completely. Second of all, if we are taking antibiotics, we don't need them, but still we are taking it. Or suppose we are taking it in wrong doses. So it is going to affect us later. Okay, because later on, when we actually want the medicine won't be effective to us. So it's very important that we consult our doctor before taking any medicine, and we should also we should complete the prescribed cycle. Okay. Now, next topic that we will look into, another very important topic for grade 8 is vaccine. Now, vaccine is also something that we were very common about because we have been through COVID-19 and we know the importance of vaccine, right? So, vaccine are the preparation of living or killed microorganisms or their products used to treat or prevent diseases. So, yes, we have been using vaccines from a long time. Firstly, it was discovered the vaccine for smallpox in 1798 by the scientist Edward Jenner. Later on, a lot of other diseases like polio, cholera, tetanus, rabies, tuberculosis, smallpox were also prevented using vaccine. And the process in which this vaccine is being given to people is known as vaccination. Next of all, do we need the vaccine actually? Yes, we do need that. Because during the COVID-19 situation, we have seen how much important is our immune system. Immunization is very important for us because if our immune system is strong, then we can quickly resist the diseases. As a result of which, we have to make our immune system strong because that will respond to any other foreign pathogens. So foreign pathogen means the other pathogens which are entering into our body. Okay. So if we don't have a good immune system, then it won't be able to prevent us from those diseases. As a result of this, immunization is important and the vaccination which are required to be given to a child is important. So how does this vaccine works actually? So vaccines actually what happens, suppose a foreign pathogen or a disease carrying bacteria enters your body. So it will create the antibodies within our body. So those antibiotics will fight with that foreign pathogen and will kick it out. So later on, that antibody will remain into our body. So again, if in the future that same kind of disease-causing microorganism try to enter our body will remember it and it will know how to fight it. So that is why vaccination is important, immune system is important. Both of them are very, very important. Thank you for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you understood it. If you have any doubt, please post in the comment box, subscribe and like the video. Bye bye. Take care.